Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last couple of videos I have been showing you how to create a PDF file with the help of your C# application using the iTextSharp DLL. So till now I have shown you how to add paragraphs, how to add lists, how to add pictures, and in this video I will show you how to add a table in your PDF file using C# and iTextSharp DLL. So let's see how can we do that. So we have this create PDF button which we click, and this code I have been showing you in last 3 videos. Okay, and now suppose I want to add a table below this list which was showing here. So I have this list, and below this list I want to show some table. So what I will do is I will just go below to the list code, and here I will add the code for the tables. Okay, so here write this code, this much, to add a simple table. So write pdf p table and give it a variable name is equal to new pdf p table, and in this bracket this 3 shows it has 3 columns. Okay, so whatever cell you add, it will be added in the combination or in the pair of 3 columns. So first 3 columns will be of first row, and second 3 column will be of the second row. So, and if you add 3 more columns, they will add in the third row. Okay, so like that. So these are pairs of 1 row, and which are 3 makes a pair of a row. So write this table declaration and then table dot add cell, and whatever content you want to give in your cell, here you will write. So I am just writing cell 1 column 1 row 1, so this will go into the column 1 and row 1, and like that just add these lines into your code. So it will add these columns, and this 3 will make 1 column, one row, sorry. And at last you just write doc dot add and just add this table variable here. So this is the simple code to generate a simple table in your PDF. So let's try and run the program first. And I click create PDF, and when I go to my PDF file I can see a table here. So column 1 row 1, column 2 row 1, column 3 row 1, column 1 row 2, column 2 row 2, and column 3 row 2. Now sometimes this table is not enough, we need to give some title to our table also. So now I will show you how to give the title to this table. So just close your program and go to your code, and in this code we will add a new code to add a title. So just go after your table declaration, and here after the table declaration we are going to add a code for the header to your table. So write this code for the header. Write PDF cell and give it a variable name is equal to new PDF cell, and in the bracket you can give the title of your header. So write new phrase, and in the bracket give your header name or header text, okay, and bracket closed. So like that, this is the header title. And now we will copy this cell variable and paste it here. Dot column span is equal to 3, because our table is of 3 columns. That's why we write here 3. So this cell of header will be spanned to the 3 columns. It will cover 3 columns. Okay, so this code means that, once again copy this cell and paste it here. Dot horizontal alignment is equal to 1. So this 1 shows that the text on the header will go to the center of your cell. If you write 0, then it will go to the left of the cell, and if you write 2, it will go to the right of the cell. Okay, and then just like these table code, write this table variable dot add cell and just copy and paste this cell here. So this will add a header to your table. Okay, so let's try and run our program once again, and I will click create PDF and I will check my PDF once again. And if you see, this header is there in my table, which have the span of all 3 columns. So in this way you can add the header to your table. Now for example, this header, simple header, don't look good when you simply add a header to your table. You need to change the font sometime, you need to change the color of the cell sometimes also. So now I will show you how to change the font of this header or any cell. That code will apply to any cell. I'm just writing it for this cell, which is header. So I will change the font and I will change the color of this header. So let's see how we can do that. So in our code, here we will go to our table header phrase, because we want to change the font of this title phrase. Okay, so just go there wherever you have written your phrase, and in the within these brackets for PDF's P cell, just give here a comma. Okay, and then give this code there. Oh, I did the mistake, not inside this bracket but inside this bracket. So go to the code phrase and just after your phrase just give here a comma and then add this code. So what does this code say? After this comma, write new itext.text.font and give a bracket. Okay, so in here we are defining the properties of the font for this text. Okay, so write this header comma new text iTextSharp.text.font and in the bracket write once again iTextSharp.text.font dot whatever font you want to choose. I am choosing the normal font, comma the size of your font, comma the once again the font type. So iText.text.font font dot normal, okay, and then write comma iText sharp dot text dot base color dot whatever color you want to give to your font. Okay, so this is a kind of a big line, so just I will try to move the screen to the code so that you will be able to write it. Okay, so just write this code, big line, and this line will basically change the font of your title text. So let's see if it changes the font. So I just press this PDF and I will check the font, and if you see, this is changed into yellow color and its size is really reduced because it was 8F. Okay, so never mind, you can just change the size and change the color, and this is the basic code to change the font and the color of your font. Okay, so you know the code and you can play with it. And the next is we are going to change the background color of the cell. So just this cell, header cell, we are going to change the background color. So after this cell declaration, just write this code, cell dot background color, and this will show the error because I need to add iTextSharp. I will just copy it from here. So I just need to add this iTextSharp dot text because this is conflicting with the system dot drawing of C#. That's why it's showing this error. So dot base color. Okay, so write cell dot background color is equal to new text dot iTextSharp dot text dot base color, and in this bracket we are going to pass the RGB colors. Okay, or otherwise you can also give the color like that also. I think no, you cannot give like that, so you need to give it in RGB formation. Okay, so like this, these three categories shows the RGB formation of colors. So if you know the RGB codes, then you know what these three column means. So this is just a one color from the RGB code. You can just Google RGB and you will be able to find the color of your choice. Okay, so write this to change the background color of your cell, and I will quickly change the font size also, and I will just change the color of the font also, blue this time. Okay, and I run the program and I will click this create PDF and I will check my text. So this time you see that a background color of green is colored here. The title cell is colored with background color of green. The title font is also bigger now, and title font color is also bigger now. So in this way you can play with the table and you can get your table correct. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.